Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to a foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today we are making mango popsicles. Stay tuned and let's get right into the video. Today's recipe is a very healthy one and very simple as well. So if you need a healthy snack, then this is for you. So we have some ripe mango, lemon juice, honey, Greek yogurt, and coconut milk. You can omit the honey if you want. Also, all ingredients used in today's recipe will be in the description box down below, so do well to check it out. So we start off by pouring our mango, milk, Greek yogurt, honey and lemon juice into our blender, and then we blend it together. Greek yogurt makes it creamier, and also you can use any milk of your choice, but it works well with coconut milk and almond milk. You can also use whole milk if you want, and the honey is also optional as mango is sweet, but then when you add the milk and then the Greek yogurt, the taste might reduce. That's why we add a bit of honey. Once you're done, you can drink it like that as your mango smoothie, but then today we are using it for popsicles, so we'll just pour them into our popsicle mold. Also, if you don't have a popsicle mold, you can use disposable cups. You can use the small ones for this as well. Once we are done pouring it into our popsicle mold, we'll put it into the freezer for at least 4 hours, and then we can serve. After taking our popsicle out of the freezer, this is how it looks. If you have kids who don't like taking fruits, this is a very nice way to help them take more fruits. See how beautiful this looks. Also, mango is in season, so if you enjoy taking mango, this is another way to store up more mangoes. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and share with your friends and family. Also, leave us a comment. We love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.